In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anime-style images in Midjourney. We'll start by crafting a strong prompt, then move into Midjourney to fine-tune settings like image size, aesthetics, and model before submitting the final generation. This flow keeps you in control of the look and helps you get that crisp anime feel. Begin by opening chatgpt.com and drafting the prompt you'll use in Midjourney. Aim for clear, descriptive language that tells the model exactly what you want to see. Include the subject, mood, composition, and stylistic cues that signal anime. Phrases like cel-shaded, expressive eyes, dynamic pose, clean line work, soft rim lighting, vibrant color palette, or cinematic framing can help. Keep it focused and avoid conflicting terms. A simple example could be a neon-lit rooftop chase at night, anime-style dynamic perspective, cel-shaded, soft glow, detailed city backdrop, dramatic lighting, high detail. Next, head to midjourney.com and paste your prompt into the input box at the top. Don't submit yet, we'll tune a few settings first so the output aligns with the anime look you're after. Open settings, usually via the gear icon. This is where you'll set the key creative controls. Start with image size. Choose an aspect ratio that suits your subject. Square is great for character portraits, 3:4 or 4:5 works well for full body shots, and 16.9 is ideal for dynamic scenes or landscapes. If you're testing ideas, begin with moderate sizes to get quick results, then scale up later once you like the composition. Move to aesthetics and select a style preset that leans into anime or manga. If there's a style strength or intensity control, begin around the middle for balance, then adjust based on your results. Too high can over-stylize, too low can make the image feel generic. Now choose the model. Pick the latest general model for broad quality or select an anime-optimized option if it's available in your account. Anime-focused models tend to produce cleaner line work, stylized features, and stronger character appeal, which is perfect for this workflow. Open more options to fine-tune extras like stylization, quality, or seed. A moderate stylized value keeps the anime flair without losing your prompt's intent. Quality can be increased for final renders, but it may take longer. When you're ready, click Submit. Review the results and iterate. If eyes or poses need emphasis, add those details to your prompt. If the scene feels busy, remove unnecessary adjectives. Keep your core structure, refine a line or two, and submit again. With a few passes, you'll consistently create polished anime-style images in Midjourney.